Today, we will be talking about the translanguaging design cycle. In the previous videos, we have been discussing about the term translanguaging and the different perspectives and ideologies related to it. The translanguaging design cycle is a pedagogical tool developed by the CUNY NYSIEB, which is a center that focuses its research on emergent bilinguals in schools. Specifically, this tool is designed for teachers in order to structure activities that takes into account the complex and multilingual language repertoire of the bilingual students. There are 5 stages part of this cycle. As you can see, the stages, they have Spanish names. So the first one is explorar, which means to explore. The second one, evaluar, which means to assess. Third one, imaginar, which means to imagine. Fourth one, presentar, which means to present. And the fifth one, implementar, to implement. Let's now have a quick look to all these stages and understand how can we translate these names into stages of an activities in class. So in the first stage, explorar, the teacher is trying to create a base of knowledge with the student. In order to do that, he or she can first provide a monolingual or bilingual input. In this first phase, the teacher will verify a first layer of understanding and comprehension of the input. And this can be done in a multilingual modality. For instance, if providing a text, there can be a moment for an activity such as skimming and scanning, providing definitions, answering to questions, or creating conceptual maps. It is important that in these activities, the students are encouraged to use all the languages of their repertoire. In the second phase, evaluar, the students are having a look at the inputs provided by the teachers, and they're trying together, individually or as a group, to find additional materials and to formulate questions on the inputs they received, as well as reflection on the topic that is emerging from the inputs. In this phase, the activities involved could be summarizing, creating descriptions, and justifying someone's position. The third phase, imaginar, involves the initial process of creating a final product for the activities. This product is going to be a multilingual product. So in this part of the translanguaging design cycle, the students are asked to plan and to create something that is gonna be the final product of their activities. This could be written in a written form, it could be oral, it could be the creation of a video, of a PowerPoint presentation, of a podcast, and so on. This could be done individually or in groups. And also, this could be bilingual or multilingual. The following stage, presentar, it's gonna involve the presentation of the final product created by the students, as we said, individually or in group. Apart from being an important moment because the students are asked to present in front of the rest of the classroom their work, this is also an important moment because since the final product is going to be bilingual or multilingual, this will also offer an important moment for a metalinguistic reflection conducted by the teacher. So the teacher could draw students' attention on differences and similarity between the languages emerged in the presentations. The last phase of the translanguaging design cycle is called implementar. In this phase, the teacher can lead a discussion with the students about how the activity developed in the class could be implemented outside the classroom walls. This is an important phase of the cycle because it creates a discussion on whether and how an activity implemented inside the school could be useful outside the school, therefore taking into account a bigger community. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.